Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing a Overture high-speed TPU filament. It's the rubbery, flexible kind compared to the hard plastic regular filament that you've been seeing. It is the Overture high-speed TPU, 60 to 90 millimeter printing speed, 220 to 240 degrees Celsius. This is the 1.75 translucent red filament. The first thing I'm going to test it on is this 11 Pro Max flexible case. Everything looks pretty good. It looks solid case. You know, it's got the bumpers to absorb the shock. And it is supposed to be printed with no supports. So we're going to see how that goes. So heading over to the Orca slicer, we're just going to throw it in for my Max printer, and it should be good. Oh, that's right, no supports. And I don't think there's going to be an issue. It has a little overhang, and I'm not too sure about the holes, you know, for the charging port and the speaker holes. So we'll see what kind of droopage we get, I guess. All right, it is finished. It looks, oh, maybe, okay, we'll see. Gotta clean it up, maybe. Take it off. Oh shit, how do I do this? It's still, oh, I'm scared. Oof. Ooh. It's gooey. Oh shit. Look at that sick.
It looks like it's sturdy.
Alright, let's go put it on the phone. But wait, there's more. Okay, so this is the finished product for the Fire Stick remote. These supports, I did a tree before and they didn't work too well. So let's see if I can just rip this off in one go. Fuck. Ah, I could feel it, I could grab it, I just need to grab it right. Damn it. Come on, yeah. Yeah. Fuck you. Damn, this thing's squishy. Alright, let's get this. Try to get this off nice. Can you see that? Ooh, almost. Let's see where. Oh, got it. All right, not too bad. It kind of came off pretty clean. Okay. All right. After cleaning it up a little bit, kind of all snapped in place. There you go. Look at that. Smooth right here, the little butt, front. I tried to clean that up, but it looks good. All right. Got that. Made these cases. This is for my iPhone with the MagSafe for the S21. iPhone 15 Pro. Another Fire Stick one that I messed up on, but yeah. Alright, so what did I think about the TPU? I think it's really cool how sturdy and durable it is as far as like cases. This is pretty strong, and then the printing quality, I didn't have to do anything except just lower the speed just a little bit, and it printed perfect the first try. As far as the supports go with this one, I couldn't print it this way because it would have messed up. So I had to do it this way. So that's going to be tricky when I'm printing. Probably going to have to print straight up. But I really want to print like some Crocs or like an airless basketball or something. I even printed this toothpaste cover topper. So there's a lot of uses for this type of filament. So I'm going to be experimenting with that. But let me know what I should print next. Something big, something cool. And yeah, we'll see you later.